Good night, everyone. Today we present protecting and evaluating an innovation. This project was submitted by the students Sergio Betancur Mantilla, Carlos Julio Falla, and Kevin Hernán Urbano Ortiz. Select technologies, 3D printing. Problem, current 3D printer, generate plastic waste, recycling, and printing are done separately. Proposed innovation, 3D printer with real-time self-recycling, integrates printing, shedding, and reprocessing in a closed lab. Benefits, promotes circular economic and sustainability, reduce plastic waste and filament costs, lower prototyping expansion, support experimentation and hands-on learning in educational, industrial, and domestic settings. What type of protection is applied? For this reasons, we must apply the following type of protection. Parent protects the technological combination of printing and recycling. Utility model protects improvement in the design of the shedding and reprocessing module. Trade script protects the software algorithm that optimize the use of recycled material. Trade protects the trade name 3D printer with real-time auto-recycling. Technologies, protection strategy, and potential legal obstacles. The proposal is to inside register the patent in Colombia with the Superintendency of Industrial and Commerce, and the extends protection through the World Intellectual Property Organization Patent Cooperation Treaty System. Additionally, negotiations are planned for license with 3D printer manufacturer to accelerate market adoption. The main obstacle include the clause of protection, potential litigations with competitor, and legal requirement for novel and inventive steps. Technical feasibility possible through the integration of existing components such as grinder, extruder, and software into a unified system. Competitive advances, only one system, reduce waste, cost savings, and compatibility with polylactic acid, polyethylene terephthalate, and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Potential industrial, education, added manufacturing, home and space exploration.
In continuance of what I said above, my name is Sergio, and I will continue with two slides. Slide 5, investment risks analysis. In this part, I talk about investment risks. On a financial level, the challenge is the high upfront cost and legal protection. Technically, to ensure that recyclers work well and that the filament has good quality, and the market resistant to change and competition with traditional brands. To mitigate this risk, we can access grant funds, carry out pilot programs with the universities and industries, and create alliances with manufacturers and recyclers. Slide 6, protection and management of intangibles. Here we are taking about protection innovation, the key is to take it from the laboratory to the market with a technology transfer plan. Our potential customers are education institutions, industry looking for economic prototypes and research centers. In addition, the trend is clear: additive manufacturing is growing, and there is a high demand for sustainable solutions. Slide 7. Value proposition and dimension. The value proposition is based on 3 points: sustainability with recycled materials, savings in filaments, and the innovation of an all-in-one system. To design it, we thought of technology fairs, scientific publication, workshops, and alliance with public and private entities. Slide 8. Business models and support. In the business model, we can sell directly, license the technology, franchise it, or generate a strategic alliance, and sometimes full-time after slate service with technical training, prevent maintenance, and software updates. This ensures that the project is profile competitive and sustainable over time. Thanks.
With the presenter. My name is Kevin Hernan Urbano, rotation and manager extract for intermediate ICES. Pattern, lines, and commercial rumor manager extract. The purpose in this period intermediate H technology termed software is actively grammars that allow for the safe hand forbid use innovation. Intellectual property protection. Paper protects the innovation combination of the printer and the recipe module, utility mode, cover component improvement, Twitter, Strutter. Remark protect the knife, real time out. Result trader printer as company's identity. Project and manager extract for intermediate height. Registration portion. Siguiente. Siguiente diapositiva. Right. Project and manager extract for intermediate height. Registration process. National registration. Initiate the process in Colombia by for the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce SIC International Protection using Partnership Cooperation Treaty system by the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO. Monitor protection agents copying unnecessary ones. Listen try exclusivity licensing grant the right to single manufacture in a specific region. Protection and manager extract foreign tangent aids, commercial agreements, joint bears, collaboration with parents to produce street technology, street elements, argument with place, reside, or lies company to extend supply chain, technology transfer content, Riesle Destrus Training daily before now had the rising of the technology. Monitoring and complex. Monitor the correct whose growth extensions. Manage with chain in case in the tall purpose rise geology. Conclusion. This activity highlights the importance integrating technical, economic, legal, and strategic analysis tools, sustainable introduction, and totally driven market. It is trying property protection while hard, crucial innovation. The real-time price trade premium project demonstrate the protein technology through punch, combining with and technology transfer, compete. He also showed that innovation, Swiss industrial development. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.